How to use your mobile phone to create videos for promoting your skills. Hi, today I am going to show you how to create simple videos that can help promote your skills and services using just your mobile phone. Whether you're a plumber, a potter, a weaver, or someone who has a skill that you want to share with the world, this is the perfect tutorial for you. The first step is to identify a skill that you want to share. It could be anything from fixing leaky faucets to creating beautiful pottery to weaving intricate baskets. For the purposes of this video, let's say that you are a plumber. Next, think about the target audience for your videos. Who do you want to reach with your message? For example, if you're a plumber, your target audience could be homeowners, landlords, or anyone else who needs plumbing services. Now it's time to start filming. Using your mobile phone, film a short video demonstrating your skills. Keep it simple and focus on one task at a time. For example, if you're a plumber, you could film a short video showing how to fix a leaky faucet. Be sure to use proper lighting and audio so that your video is easy to see and hear. For example, I'm a professional plumber with over 10 years of experience. You can also add your contact information so that people can reach out to you for services. Remember to keep it simple, focus on one task at a time, and use proper lighting and audio. With just a few minutes of effort each day, you can create a library of videos that will help promote your skills and services to the world. So grab your mobile phone, get creative, and start filming today. Please upload your videos to our Telegram WhatsApp groups shared in the description for free promotion in Calisay to YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe.